Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jay. Today I have a lot of things that I've collected from Shein in the past little while, and I wanted to show them to you guys. These are all my favorite pieces that I've kept, that I really like, that I like to wear, that I'm excited to wear, but also these are all either bikini bathing suit items or more like festival kind of out there pieces. They're not too crazy, but they're also a little more on the not your everyday casual wear styles. With summertime coming up and a lot of festivals happening, mine isn't until September, but I still wanted to show you guys some options in case you have some coming up soon. My style has changed a lot since the video that I uploaded right before quarantine. So two things before we get started. Please ignore my voice. I am sick. Also, please ignore my bangs. They have a mind of their own today, and I don't feel like fighting them. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started. Let's go ahead and start with the bikinis first. The first one I have is called Tube Top. And this... what the did I just say? No. The first one that I have to show you guys, it's called the Smile Face Print Bikini Set Triangle Bra and Tie Side Bottom. This bathing suit is double lined. I love all their bathing suits that come double lined. They have a really cute like bead detail on the end of all the strings. It's really cute little like drippy smiley faces, and I thought that was interesting. It's a little complicated to learn how to tie at first. I may or may not have gotten stuck the first time I tried to put it on. Anyways, once you figure it out, it's really cute and enhances like your figure, and it's really comfortable. This what I got in a size large, and it was $11.49 when I purchased it. That'll be the price of all of them, is when I either bought it or when I put all this stuff together. And I will have my size measurements in the description box below. Jesus. The second bikini that I have is kind of a set. This one is called the Shein Sexy Mono Bikini Set Ring Linked Halter Triangle Bra and Bikini and Split Thigh Beach Skirt 3-piece swimsuit. It's a mouthful. I got this in a size large and it was $13.49. The bathing suit itself is not double lined, but it's still pretty comfortable. It has this like ring detail to it. Then it has this bit here that ties around the waist. I thought that was kind of interesting and different, and I don't have anything like that. Bottoms don't have the ring detail. It's just like a plain black bottom, but then the cover up has the rings on it. It is mesh, and then it just has a serged hem on the bottom. This really makes me feel like that girl, the princess from Atlantis. This makes me feel like her, and I don't know why. It's a really cute piece, and it's something different than I had in my collection. Something that does bother me a little bit though is that the rings on this are silver and the rings on this are gold, but then like I guess mixed metals cool, but it does bother me a little bit. I kind of wish they would have kept to the same color, but that's just me. The next bathing suit I have is called the Tie-Dye Bikini Set Halter Triangle Bra and Bikini Bottom and Cover Up Skirt 3-piece bathing suit. It's not 3-piece, it's 4. So I don't know why it says 3-piece. I got this in a size large. It was $13.99. It's more of like a boho style. It is not double lined. It's still pretty comfortable. It's just your typical triangle bikini. The thing that I really liked about it was that it came with like a tie front top. The whole thing is just like a serged hem, nothing fancy. It's got like the flare sleeve. Then the skirt is like the same thing, the mesh see-through with the serged hem, and it's kind of like just a, I don't remember what these are called. Sarong? I think they're called sarongs. This one is probably one of my favorites only because it does have the 2 like piece cover up thing. Moving on to the next bikini. This one is called the Goth Cartoon Sun Print Bikini Set Halter Triangle Bra and Tie Side Bottom and Knot Beach Skirt 3-piece swimwear. Did you get all that? Jesus. So I got this one in a large as well. This one was $11.49. This one is not double lined either. This does have the little sun print on it. I think it's really cute. I really like the two-tone browns as well. And then it has the matching print sarong. It also just has the serged hem as well with the mesh matching print. The only thing I'm not the biggest fan of when it comes to these is that the hem is like, it does that right there. Kind of curls up, and that kind of bothers me just a little bit, but it's not like a deal breaker, and if you like the print you'll probably like it as well. All right, the next item that I have is called the Shein X Sophia Suskin Not sure if that's a name or if I butchered that, sorry. Lettuce trim knot front kimono. I got this in a size medium and it was $8.99. It is a tie front, it is sheer, it's got the flare sleeves. I like that it's cropped. You could wear it over a bikini or you could wear it over like a print top or tank top or something. It's really kind of like in the fairy core or hippie-esque flower child style. So I have two other swimsuit cover-ups. This one is called the sheer mesh cover-up without bikini set, so this is just the cover-up. I got it in a large and it was $9.99. It is mesh and it has like drawstring sides, so you can like kind of pull it up or pull it down, kind of where you would like it. It does have the split thigh down both sides. I wanted a full one so I could either use it like at a festival. It gets really hot at festivals, and the less clothing you're wearing sometimes, the more comfortable you are. I thought something like this would be fun for a festival or just at the pool. I think it's probably one of the most comfortable bathing suit cover-ups. You don't really have to mess with it because it's not like a tie, it's just a tank top style. It just sits on you so well and it does all the work for you. I love it. So the last bathing suit cover-up I have to show you is called the Hollow Out halter cover-up dress. I got this in a size large as well, and it was $11.49. It has like a knitted design to it. It is a halter neck, so you could tie it in a couple different ways. Honestly, I just think this was well made and it's really cute and I like it a lot. So moving into clothing items, the first thing I have is a pair of pants. These are called the Shein Sexy Chinese Dragon print sheer mesh flare leg pant. I got these in a size XL. They were $9.19. They are mesh, so they're see-through, but then they have like a velvet texture detail on the design. They are very long. They kind of flare out, so I like these a lot just to wear with like a black bathing suit bottom. I actually wore these to a concert not too long ago. The only annoying thing about these is that the elastic band in here is not like sewed down to really any part, so it flips inside of the pants a lot and it's so annoying because if you're wearing them and it does that, then it like looks all twisted. I hate it, but other than that, it's really cute. I love dragons and I think that this print is really unique and cute. So I have two corsets to show you guys. I really want to wear these in my engagement photos. I can't really decide which one. The first one is called the Aberloth A Floral Print Lace Up Backless Corset Halter Top. This I got in a size medium and it was $10.99. If you are anywhere around my measurements, I would size down. It does give me a little bit of support and like push up, but not much. The halter top part is also a little bit big. It doesn't exactly like pull up in the way that I'd want, but I decided I would keep it and not get a size down. Then afraid that if I size down, it would be too skimpy for my engagement photos. It has the asymmetrical design to it with the lace floral print. This is almost like the pants where the flower is like almost a velvety texture. It is a lace up. It's honestly really cute. I like it a lot. I just would size down if you're looking for something to like you in. I have one more corset. This one is a little bit more simple. This one is called the Shein Petite Asymmetrical Hem Tube Top. It's not as like built as the other corset. This one is more like flimsy and soft. I got this in a size small. This was $4.99. It does not have a zipper. You just kind of slip it on over your head. It does have like the grippy part along the top to give you support. It's like all the way around. Again, it has that asymmetrical look to it. It has a faux leather look. I could put like a jacket over it and it would look not quite as weird as the halter neck one. It gives you that corset look, but not the feel, so it's nice. So I have two dresses to show you guys. This one is called the Gothic Mock Neck Textured Bodycon dress. I got this in a size large and it was $13.99. This one is interesting, I will say. It's got that pencil skirt length bodycon to it. It does have sheer cutouts, like you can see through the cutouts. I would be careful what you wear underneath it or choose not to wear underneath it. I think for the other dress, it's a little bit more, what's the word I'm looking for? The other dress is a little more modest than this one. Who knows, but I feel risky most of the time, so I go for it. So this next dress is called the Rom Wee Punk plunging neck zip up leather look dress. This is a faux leather looking dress. It does have a zip up all the way up the front. It does have a very deep neck, but I will say I don't have boobies, but it makes me feel secure. This is pretty tight on my flat half and chest. This is an A-line dress. It has the flared, like kind of almost like pleat feeling look to it. I love this dress a lot, and it's very comfortable. The next thing I have to show you guys is a two-piece set. This one is called the Seam Detail Tank Top and Bodycon Skirt without gloves. It doesn't come with the gloves that you'll see in the picture. I got this in a size large. It was $7.25. It has that like exposed seam detail all the way around the sides, the bottom, the front. It has like a rib detail on like certain parts of it, like little patches of it. It does have the asymmetrical look to it. I like the top a lot because it has like these strings that hang down, and it kind of like gives it that texture leading to the skirt. I like this set a lot. I think it's really cute. This next set has been a little bit of trouble for me. This set is called the Romwe Punk Grunge Off Shoulder Teddy Crop Top and Bodycon Skirt Set. I got this in a size large. It was $11.49. It does have the off the shoulder with the fold down top. It is long sleeve. It is the teddy like fuzzy soft fabric. It does come with the mini skirt as well. Way too short for me. I love the top, and I had a outfit planned, which I'll show you in the try on clip, that includes something further on down. Let me show it in that one. It's so cute, so I just don't know if I want to like risk it for the biscuit for the outfit, but the skirt is so short. I want to figure it out though because I love this set. Next item is another two-piece. This one is called the Shein Icon Rhinestone Crisscross Backless Crop Halter Top and Skirt and Arm Sleeves without brief. This set is really cute. Honestly, don't be stupid like me. When I first got it, I thought that the heart was like on upside down. No, I just had the item upside down. Anyway. Oh, why am I dumb? Again, the skirt is sheer. I would either wear like a black bathing suit bottom, or if you have like high-waisted cut black underwear, do something like that. It does come with gloves. I really love the like little mini disco ball kind of like design stickers, like rhinestone look on there. It definitely makes it really comfortable to wear. And one of the last clothing pieces that I have to show you guys is called the Shein Easy Wear Drop Shoulder Heather Knit Zip Up Hoodie. I got this in a size medium. It was $14.49. It does have a hoodie. It is zip up all the way in the front. It has like a corset kind of design to the bottom, so it's cropped and then has that corset design, and then it comes up into the drop shoulder sleeves, which are long sleeve. I really love this jacket. Like the way that it makes me feel when I wear it is like I don't feel like a baggy loaf. And so I appreciate that a lot. Moving into the accessories that I got, these are called the heart print fishnet tights. These come in one size and they were $2.40. These are pretty high-waisted, as you can see. These are the tights that I had the idea for the white teddy two-piece, so I'll show you that here. These are really cute. It does have the white like little heart print in there. Something again different that I don't have. I just had plain black tights before this. I thought I would spice it up just a little bit. Going back to some black tights, these next ones are called the Goth Spiderweb Pattern Fishnet Tights. The design comes through so well. So cute. They're so different. They're honestly one of my favorite pairs of tights now, just because it has the cute little spiderweb spider design in them. These were made very well. That's all I can say. Next up, I have a pair of boots. I've had these boots for a few months now. I can honestly say I love these boots so much. These are called the Zipper Back Platform Sock Boots. These I got in a on the thing CN 41 or a US 8.5. You really have to go by like the measurement of your foot on these. These have that chunky platform and the chunky heel. They have that faux leather kind of look to them. The zipper is on the inside, so they're super easy to put on and take off. These are so comfortable and they're very easy to walk in. I love these boots. I cannot recommend them enough. The one thing though is I remember when I got them, I had to kind of like put them on and use a blow dryer to kind of get this part to like fit around my cankles. I know they're like a dupe for like a very expensive shoe. I don't remember what that shoe is, but either way, I don't really care. I love them. So to finish it off, I have 2 accessories I wanted to show you guys. First, I have this necklace called the Grunge Punk one piece minimalist necklace. It comes in one size. It was $1.90. It's like got that like barbed wire kind of look to it. Wearing it as a choker doesn't bother me. It doesn't bug me. It doesn't get on my nerves. I really like this necklace. To finish us off, I have this hair clip. It is called the Goth 42. My Y looks like a 4. The Goth Y2K spider design hair claw. It was $2. This thing is really good quality. It's also really sharp. So be careful putting it in your hair because I've scratched my head a couple times and I'm like, damn, that thing is in there. God. This thing is so cute. It's got the little spider design with all the little 8 legs. Yeah, I really love this hair clip, and for it being $2, it's really good quality. Alright guys, well it looks like my voice made it through. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I have another video coming out soon with a bunch of other stuff that I've gotten recently that's not exactly festival wear, that's just kind of like casual. That's just kind of like casual clothes and daily wear. So keep an eye out for that video. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a like. Hit the subscribe button because I really want to try and get into doing this more often. So follow along with me on this journey. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye.